Hello, and today I'm at Coupe Commercials on the Alcester Road at Portway, and I'm pleased to be showing you this lovely 2017 on a 67 plate Mercedes Benz S500 Coupe. And this is the AMG line premium model, and comes with a lovely 4.7 litre V8 petrol engine. So it certainly has more than enough power for a good bit of fun. I'll start this video by showing you the interior. To start it up, you simply pop the key in the ignition, and there you can see the screens come alive as it starts. If I turn that down, you hear a great sound of the murmuring V8 engine. It's quite quiet here, but if you open the window or open the door, you really can hear how nice that engine sounds. It's got some great little fizzles to it. As you'd expect with a Mercedes, the interior is absolutely stunning. It's got these lovely leather seats which are fully adjustable electronically, as you can see, and also heated. I love this bold feature dash, which of course has this lovely shiny piano black with the great big screen and speedo, which is obviously a lot more clever than just a sole speedo. And with it being the Premium Plus, it's littered with lots of additional extras. It's got this lovely flat-bottomed multifunctional steering wheel, which I think is fantastic, as well as obviously being practical. And it's got nice features such as these 360-degree cameras, which obviously make parking a lot easier too. It's got the upgraded speakers, and if I run through some practicality, it's got a good size lockable glove box, decent side storage bins, and this rather clever centre storage space too, which does have USB ports. And what's nice is that from the push of a button either side, you can open it whichever way you desire. It's got cup holders, and of course onboard entertainment. This screen is fantastic. It's so big, and also just look at the picture. It really is one of the best sat-navs on the market. It's got these quick access buttons, which are in this brushed aluminium, as well as obviously the Mercedes swivel dial, which is easy to use, as well as the trackpad, which means operating whilst driving is nice and simple. You really do sit in this car, and it's got that great sporty feel, with also lots of technology, which means it really is a joy to drive. It's also got this pan roof, which on a sunny day like today is a lovely option to have. It's operated by the push of the buttons up here, just simply one touch. Whilst this car feels like it's very much got the driver in mind, as you can see, with this electronic adjusted seat, you can access the rear, which you'll find 2 extra seats, meaning that it does have that practical viable option of carrying extra people here in the back. Whilst it's probably not great for 4 adults, with the clever cutaways, you can get away with carrying people in the back. And the sloping roof doesn't cut into headroom too badly. And again, from here, you get a great view of the front. These really are stunning cars and very luxurious. Again, as you put it back, you can see the seat retreats electronically. It does also have soft closing doors, which is a nice feature to have. It has an electronic tailgate, and rear space is decent. Quite a deep boot, which goes far back. Whilst these practical features are good, its selling point is, to me, its exterior looks. I think it's a fantastic car, and that sloping rear makes it look even sportier, as well as the bold exterior outlines. And I particularly like the rear air intakes or outlets. Again, as you go around the front, you can see the air intakes, and they add to that sporty feel. It's sure to get looks on the road because of how wide and sporty it looks. With it being the AMG line, you do get upgraded alloy wheels as well, which really help the car pop. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.